Today I'd like to talk to our investors about our capital raising and how it's been completed. Also an update on some important dates they should keep in the back of their mind for when they're thinking about their RFF investment, and importantly some distribution guidance for 2016. The equity raise was in two tranches. Firstly, an entitlement offer to our existing investors, and secondly, an offer to wholesale and sophisticated investors. Both offers were for $7.5 million and at a price of $1.05 per unit. The entitlement offer was fully underwritten by Wilson's HTM. It saw our investors, many of whom have been with us for over a decade, take up around 28% of that offer, with the balance going through to the underwriter. The wholesale and sophisticated offer for $7.5 million closed oversubscribed. There are some key dates that investors should bear in mind. Holding statements were dispatched on the 10th of April to our new investors, and units started trading on the 13th of April. Importantly, for all investors, our next distribution record date is the 17th of April, with payment date on the 24th of April. I'd like to provide an overview of the portfolio post-capital raise. The portfolio will benefit from the capital raise in various ways. Firstly, our net assets increases from $137 million to $151 million. The weighted average length of expiry for our leases increases from 12.2 to 13.4 years. And of course, the overall portfolio benefits from an increase in sector and counterpart diversification. Importantly, funds from operations is accretive, with the funds being used to fund an almond development on our Tokabul property. RFF is on track to deliver its forecast distribution of 8.6 cents per unit for FY15. I'm pleased to report that FY16 will see an increase in distributions by around 3% to 8.85 cents per unit. Now, at a trading price of around $1.05, $1.06, this represents a yield of 8.5%. It's still important to keep in mind that that's still around 10 cents below the net asset value of the fund, so represents an opportunity for those investors looking for yield. Rural Funds Group is unique. We're Australia's first diversified agricultural property trust. As such, we're working hard on maintaining our distributions to our investors and also looking at new opportunities to grow our quality portfolio of Australian agricultural assets. We're heavily involved in investor engagement to seek to close the gap between our current trading price and our net asset value.